Assalamualaikum guys, today we are making egg fried rice. This recipe is super easy to make at home. And also before starting the video, make sure you like, subscribe and share my channel and share your experience in the comment section. So as you can see, this is looking so nice like this. You can decorate it as well. And also comment if you like that capsicum flower. I really like that. So let's get started. First take 50 ml oil and then add 2 beaten eggs and fry them properly and carefully. Then add 2 fine chopped carrots, fry them very well. Well, they look like almost done, but still let's make sure. So now add 1 medium-sized onion, fine chopped, and then fry. So which vegetable is your favorite in egg fried rice? Then let's add 2 medium-sized fine chopped capsicums. So just mix them and fry them. So add 1 cup of boiled chicken and then mix it and fry it well. Looks like almost done. Let's check. Well, almost there. And then add 1 medium-sized cabbage, fine chopped, and mix it and mix it and mix it. Very nice. This is properly. Then add black pepper and salt. 1 teaspoon, you can add it according to your taste. And then chicken cube, 1 chicken cube, and mix them properly. Then add the eggs we fried in the beginning and mix them with the ingredients. Looking nice. And mix it before then add soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Well, looking good. And then add vinegar, of course, 1 tablespoon. So we're done. And now mix it well. Then the main ingredient, rice. Add half kg rice. We're just going and done. And now mix it. It may seem hard, but it's easy. Looking nice, right? Sounds like almost done. Let's check it. It's okay. Well, looking okay. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, just checking. Now dish out. Now Now you can decorate it however you like it, and especially the flower. That's my favorite in it. Looking so nice. I can't wait to eat. So you should try this recipe at home. It's just so easy. So easy. So as you can see, it's looking so good.